Last week, our small martial arts class had begun. Another class was in progress on the other side of the gym, but one of the students started using the hanging bag near our class and disrupted it, then left garbage on the floor when he later left. This prompted me to make this video a guideline to new martial arts students, boxers, MMA, Taekwondo, Karate, etc. Title: The Martial Arts Student's Handbook, Code of Conduct and Behavior. Martial arts training is about more than just learning physical techniques. It's also about developing discipline, respect, and good character. The following code of conduct provides guidelines for appropriate behavior and etiquette in the martial arts school, as well as tips for carrying these values beyond the dojo. 1. Always show respect for the martial arts school. If you lose the respect, there are other instructors and schools. Bow upon entering and leaving the dojo as a sign of respect. If passing through, ask the instructor for permission. If you need to leave class, ask for permission. Keep the dojo clean and tidy, and put equipment away after use. Remove shoes and jewelry before stepping onto the mat. Do not chew gum, talk on cell phones, or use other distracting devices during class. 2. Always show respect for the instructors and seniors. Address instructors with proper titles, sensei, sir, ma'am, etc. Listen carefully to instructors and senior students and follow their guidance. Arrive on time for class, and notify the instructor if you will be late or absent. Do not interrupt the instructor during class or argue with their decisions. 3. Respect for fellow students. Treat all students with kindness and respect, regardless of rank or skill level. Avoid aggressive or competitive behavior, and focus on self-improvement rather than comparison to others. Do not engage in horseplay or roughhousing during class. Offer assistance to fellow students when appropriate, and support and encourage each other's progress. 4. Respect for yourself. Be the person you can be. Train consistently and work hard to improve your skills. Focus on good form and technique over speed. Set goals for yourself and strive to achieve them. Take care of your body by stretching, warming up, and cooling down properly. Always wearing clean and appropriate attire for class is important. 5. One should have respect for the martial arts code. Understand the history, principles, and techniques of your martial arts style. Strive to embody the values of your martial arts style both on and off the mat. Avoid using martial arts techniques for aggressive or inappropriate purposes. Treat martial arts training as a privilege and a responsibility, and conduct yourself accordingly. 6. What should the consequences be for violating the code of conduct? Violations of the code of conduct will be handled on a case-by-case basis and may result in warnings, suspensions, or expulsion from the martial arts school. Serious violations, such as disrespect towards instructors, destructive behavior, or use of martial arts techniques for aggressive purposes, will result in immediate action and may result in termination of enrollment. By adhering to the code of conduct, martial arts students demonstrate their commitment to their training and to the values of respect, discipline, and good character. The martial arts school provides a unique environment for personal growth and development, and following the code of conduct helps to create a positive and supportive atmosphere for all students. Remember, the code of conduct is not just a set of rules, but a way of life. When you follow the code, you not only improve yourself as a martial artist, but also as a person.